Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I will be doing lots of cleaning as always, along with some organizing and decluttering. As always, I'm starting off in the back of the RV in the bedroom, making the bed and tidying up. We never use this back door of the RV, so I use the stairs below this platform to hold our extra shoes. With there being 4 of us living in the RV and 2 of them being 2 and under, I need to use all of the storage space I can get. I'm finally going through all of my clothes and reorganizing. You remember a couple of videos back when I had to forcefully shut that drawer? I can honestly say, as of today, there's still no clothes in that drawer. I'm not sure if it's just out of boredom or anxiety, or if our dog just hates us, but every time we leave her alone in the RV, she gets a hold of anything and everything she can and chews it to shreds. And it wouldn't be a cleaning video if I didn't have at least a few dishes to do. I just kept finding sippy cups everywhere. Every time I stopped recording and turned around, there was another one. I am cleaning off this cake stand I got at the Target dollar spot last year for either $3 or $5. I can't quite remember, but it was the last one they had on the shelf, so I had to snatch it up. I'm using my Thieves Household Cleaner from Young Living to clean it off. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it gave you motivation to get up and clean, organize, or declutter, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!